剑川 County。剑川, renowned as the home of woodcarvings, boasts of a 1,000-year-old woodcarving, in which the bi-ethnic culture and Central Plains culture married perfectly. In 2011, Jianchuan woodcarving was inscribed on China's Intangible Cultural Heritage List, marking its inheritance reached a new phase. Jianchuan wood carvings cover a wide range of themes, featuring exquisite craftsmanship with vivid and lifelike shapes, sleek lines, and rigorous compositions. The landscapes, flowers and birds, and figures are delicate, vivid, and authentic. The tough and fine-grained hardwood with bright color, after months or even years of air drying, can be used as raw material to sculpt. Various carving techniques, such as high relief, low relief, throw carving, and perforated carving, are employed, and the staggered arrangement of low and high reliefs conveys the layered depths of the carved images. That's what makes it special. Jianchuan wood carvings features a rich decorative pattern, reflecting people's experiences in labor and life, as well as their thoughts and emotions. Jianchuan wood carvings fully demonstrate the highly developed artistic level and cultural cultivation of the bi-ethnic people. Today, building on its existing strength, wood carvings are widespread use in architectural decoration and tourist crafts, which helps the revitalization of the traditional craft.
剑川木雕是我们民族优秀的传统文化，我们有义务、有责任让它一代一代的传承下去。